Imagine that if all the caterpillars of the world decide not to change themselves, then we'll be having a world without butterflies. Change is life, hence you should not resist it. If you resist the change, you lose a chance to become something far more better and beautiful. Life is all about the choices you make, and that creates your life. You are the hero of your own movie. Make it big, make it a grand movie, make it a successful and blockbuster movie. Only you have the power to change your future. Only you have the power of choosing your future. If you really want to change something in your life, put in some extra efforts to change that thing. Visualize your future. Visualize your future. Take responsibility to deliver those results. Crisis code is all in your mind. Change the code and you are good to go. If you want best results, you will need to give more than 100%. If you give 50%, you will get less than 50% of what you aimed for. Think, what is going to be your legacy? Make a clear picture of your legacy in your mind and then work for it. Be spiritual. Be grounded in spirituality. Reflect and look at life with fresh paradigm. Your spirit is the secret sauce to making your life the greatest life. Make your obstacles in life look so small in your mind that when these obstacles really come into your life, you will perceive them to be so small that you will be able to easily overcome all the obstacles in your life. If you do what you always did, you will always get what you always got. If you want to get something extra, you will have to do something extra. If you want to get something different, you will have to do something different. Hence, change, be the change what you want to be. Finalize your legacy. First, finalize your legacy and then reverse engineer it to be at a place, to start from a place where you should start building up that legacy of yours. To do what you need to do, identify yourself with the future and not the past. Because the results that you are perceiving, you will always get in the future and not in the past. Don't question who you are. Don't question who you are. Ask yourself who you are and always stay who you are. Don't question yourself who you are. Ask yourself who you are and always stay who you are. You can either change your next chapter. You can either turn the page and read the next chapter of your life, or you can go back to reading the same chapter that you have always been reading in your life. To meet the person who you want to be, to meet the person who you want to be, just become the person who you want to be. Walk on your own path. Don't conform. Don't walk on other people's path. Ladies and gentlemen, in this ever-changing life, this is Amit Kumar Uparelia signing off for the day. Thank you.